Barok sangut ki Emily jangka Seng Kongres haka pratarik urumpang arajar arpuar kila penyesok no yaladi bat ka Sorkar Mikla Democratic Alliance sapok ka jalam jangka Seng National People's Party kini ki sangut ki Emily walda ubak proses ti sokmi oshumna leilang kila thu bakila penyesok no bat ka Sorkar MDE namar ke jingmentoy jangki paitba habikam mungkin untuk khobori kong amperin lengdo ibalong inoyalam jangka Congress Legislative Party ila thu bakila penyesok kilong baik tangki sangut ki MLA But walada ke BJP ke dalam hapok jangka Sorkar MDE ni nak yang jongki kim perkhat kata ni ki perkhat baik nak tak jeng mentoy jongki pat ba.
We the CLP have decided that we are going to join the MDA. We have given a letter to the Honorable Chief Minister as a CLP where all 5 MLAs of the Congress have unanimously decided to join the government. We have just submitted our letter of support to the MDA. And you may ask, what is the reasoning behind this? We are now 5 of us and we are making sure that each of the 5 of us are covered by the 5 of us. We are at this juncture of politics where we have to make sure that we cover each other's backs. We are elected representatives, elected by our respective constituencies, and we take along the needs of the constituency, the requirements in the constituency. We also had several other talks with the Honorable Chief Minister, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, and we have been briefed about the levels of the interstate border dispute with the state of Assam. We are also going to be briefed further on the other nitty-gritties by the membership of our 2 MLAs who are members of the regional committee. We feel that at this juncture, the interest of the state and the people of our constituencies is of paramount importance.
Shushu abala kali bakumnu ka Seng Kongres ka nyeso apaka BJP ka dalang hapok ka Sorkar MDA nakali yang kamperin yang ba ya kali ka jekli depan kali sekinung yalam jaka Sorkar MDA.
We feel that this is the best thing to do in the interests of the people of our constituencies. We have suffered enough for 4 years, that's it.
So you are ready to work with the BJP, ma'am?
Please don't ask me, we don't have any contact with the BJP.
No, but they are in the coalition.
I don't know whether they are in the coalition or not. It's not for me to answer those questions. The CLP is going to the MDA. Simple. Now you decide, you interpret. We have taken a call, respect our decision.
Haba petangnya kajing itu ya kan kajing so abak Sorkar MDE kong ngamparin ilang bagian kisah usam kide kibasya inaben banding kenal ya banyak sono bakal Sorkar MDE nak mta kajing meto jong kipat ba susu lihat huru bahapok kan kisah usam amsam dan malapek yaki lagi harapan PI dia ledi debat dan kadang kelarai men punya sono syak Sorkar MDE menyerap iwe apa yang kesan got ki MLA
that today in the afternoon at about 1:30 the 5 leaders and MLAs of the Congress Legislature Party, out of the 5 of them, 4 were present. One had another program, but a letter of support where the signature of all the 5 MLAs was submitted to me, where the MLAs of the Indian National Congress have decided to join the MDA government from the 8th of February 2022, and they wish to support the MDA to strengthen the government's arms and the decision making so as to ensure that their joint efforts will take the state forward in the general interest of its citizens. I welcome the CLP MLAs of the Congress Legislative Party into the MDA, and I thank them for the support that they are offering to the government, and we are happy to accept their support. I have communicated that to them. At the same time, I have also taken the opportunity to brief them on a large number of issues that are related to the state, along with a detailed briefing on the border issue that was there, and brief inputs on the reports that were submitted to the Government of India. I had already intended to meet all the different stakeholders in this regard, as many as possible. I may not be able to meet all, and give them a brief report on the report that was submitted on the border issue. So in the coming days, either myself or the honorable chairmen of the different committees will be meeting different stakeholders, and will be also briefing them also regarding the brief kind of outlines of what was discussed in the, or what were the conclusions that took place in the border resolution that we are trying to work towards.